get it, boys.
Mosey, you made this?
Yo, so what's up? It's L. Right now, it's 11 o'clock at night. We had a nice deal for a Raptor come up, title and all, so we're gonna go pick it up and take y'all along for the journey. We got this mug.
See the world open these eyes, Dubai stand still, stuck in my van still. I let the sun spill till I can't stand still. I got no time to waste, life is fast paced. The tracks running leather.
Five hours later.
Yes, sir. About halfway home. We got the Raptor. Pretty crispy. Just need some TLC, but she's gonna clean it real nice. Big bore with title. Skirt. Yeah, Brandon just wanted to go take it for a ride. That thing is crispy. It just needs some little fine tuning before we sell it, but that ain't nothing. It's a fast machine, big bore kit, so it's pretty much a 700. Simple K&M, got a HMF exhaust on it, but yeah, she's a nice running machine. Taking it around. I might take it around a little bit. I don't have the GoPro strap or nothing with me, so I can't wear it, but might get to film something. I try to wheelie that mug up. Sheesh.